Hello and welcome back to the Pipercross YouTube channel, another episode of Intake It All In. Now today we're going to cover 5 reasons why you should upgrade to a Pipercross panel filter. Reason number 1 is availability. Now we have thousands of applications from our Plus range and our Performance range of panel filters. Finding your filter on the Pipercross website is super easy. All you need to do is put in your car's details, such as the make, model and year, and we'll help you find your filter. Alternatively, if you have a local Pipercross dealer, contact them and they should be able to help you with what you need. Reason number 2, our products are developed, manufactured and tested all in-house. This is ensuring you're getting the maximum flow and performance from your Pipercross air filter. With over 40 years of experience of developing all types of different air filters, the Panel Plus is our latest in panel filter development, and this is our premium offering within that range. Reason number 3, fitting a Pipercross panel air filter is a great accessible way to upgrade your car's performance without breaking the bank. With installation of a panel filter only taking up to 15 minutes, it's an accessible, easy and quick way to upgrade your car without spending too much money. Reason number 4, longevity. Now your Pipercross panel air filter can be removed, washed and maintained to give it a longer lifespan and more performance over a long period of time, saving you money. Using a Pipercross cleaner and dirt retention additive helps prolong the life of your panel filter, maintaining performance. Reason number 5 is heritage. For over 40 years, Pipercross has been a proud British manufacturer of high-performance air filters that are trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike. Why does he keep hitting the thing? So that's it for this video and the 5 reasons why you should upgrade to a Pipercross panel filter. Now the next 5 things you need to do is like, share, subscribe, tap that notification bell and comment below on any questions you have about Pipercross products.